In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an approved senders list in Gmail. If you've ever experienced the frustration of important emails ending up in your spam folder or missing crucial messages from specific senders, then this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to ensure that the emails you care about always land in your inbox, and not someplace where they might be overlooked. First, let's start by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to your Gmail account. You can do this by simply entering gmail.com in the address bar and logging in with your credentials if you're not automatically logged in. Once you're in Gmail, look towards the top right of your screen for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. When you click on this gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Select See All Settings from this list. This will take you into the main settings page where all the magic happens. Now you should be in the settings menu and you'll see a variety of tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is where you have control over the emails you receive, allowing you to customize your email experience to suit your needs. Once there, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you see the Create a New Filter link. Clicking this will open a dialog box for creating new rules regarding your email. In the From field of this new dialog box, enter the email address or domain of the sender you wish to approve. If you want to ensure all emails from a particular domain are always approved, just type the domain name. If it's just a single email, type the full address. After entering the information, click Create Filter at the bottom of the dialog box. Now, we're almost there. A new set of options will appear. Here, you'll need to select the option that says Never Send to Spam. By doing this, you're instructing Gmail to always allow emails from the specified sender into your inbox, bypassing the spam filter entirely. Once you've checked that option, go ahead and click Create Filter again to finalize your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up an approved senders list in Gmail. From now on, any emails from the addresses or domains you specified should appear directly in your inbox. This simple trick can save you a lot of headaches and ensure that important communications are never missed. Remember, you can always adjust or delete these filters by going back into your Gmail settings under the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Doing so enables you to refine your email management as needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable email tips and tricks.